Hi, testing an EV charger is not just about giving a power. It's about the precision, reliability, speed of productions, and the strict electrical electronics functional testings. This is our advanced 1.4 kilowatt EV charger test bench designed and developed for the manufacturers who demands high quality standards for their EV chargers when it comes to the market. Hi, this is Mayank Chawla with Team Micro here. We are end-to-end PCBA and product test fixer manufacturing company and providing solutions in India as well as in overseas market. Today we are going to demonstrate a EV charger test bench specially designed and developed for the 7.4 kilowatt and 3.3 kilowatt EV chargers integrated with intelligent softwares developed by Microsoft, which will execute each and every test sequence automatically and generates a real-time report for your PCBA of the EV chargers. So let's start today's video in very detail so we get to know about Microsoft capabilities, and if you want this kind of customized test bench for your requirements, we can deliver best out of the best solutions for you as well. So it is this EV charger test bench is integrated with programmable power supply, EV loads as well as the DSO and the scanner. So user just need to put the PCBA, scan that PCBA, and start the program. So our intelligent software will execute each and every test cases, includes a dry test, voltage test, no load, load conditions of the current, CP test for the communication protocols, and other lots of DC and communication protocol testings automatically. So there is no need of any skillful persons, any unskilled person just need to put this PCB on fixer, scan the barcode, and our system will generate a real-time report for each and every test cases and execute a report for you for the detailed analysis purpose as well as. So these are like aluminum based systems and aluminum segments. So we have in-house mechanical, electrical, electronics and software development team under one roof. So Micro can deliver best out of the best solutions, and we have all the machine setups for the fixer manufacturing as well. So let's go deep dive into this system. This is a EV charger test bench. So I will just stop this. So I will just give you the detail. This is a bed of nail, and for the high voltage testings we have and high current testings we have used the high ampere power pins. These are rigid and reliable top plate, so even if I want to move this, it is not going to move. So it is very smooth operations here. So we know like end of line testings and rugged and reliability is required when it comes to your productions, because per day 400 or per month 3000 4000 charges you need to test, so there should not be a downtime on that. When we are coming to the software part, you can see a software. Each and every test cases we generally execute the softwares automatically. The user just need to scan the barcode. After that, the measurement of input voltage, output voltage, input current, continuity, uh, DC voltages, CP communications, CP test, frequency, amplitude, as well as the like PWM. We are also testings. So this kind of all the test cases we execute, the software execute automatically. So at the end of the day, you will come to know how many are passed and how many are failed because of which reasons. So each and every charges which leaving your facility, uh, manufacturer will come to know with uh, we target each and every charger which is leaving your facility goes through the strict electrical, electronic and functional testing. So when you cater the market in India as well as out of India, you can provide the quality chargers to EV segments. So if you require this kind of fully automatic and integrated test bench from Microsoft side for any kind of charges, and you want a customized systems from Microsoft and we can provide you the best out of the best solutions for that. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for like giving a lots of orders from YouTube as well. Thank you guys for thank you very much.